Hi everyone, in today's video I have filmed this autumny, very orange look. I had no idea what I was going to film today, so you know what I'm going to look like before I know what I was going to look like. So if you like this look and want to see how I achieved it, please keep watching. So first of all, I'm going to be taking, this really orange shade from my Imagination palette. Well, it is very red. And I'm just going to be packing that into my crease. I've just used concealer as an eyeshadow base today and I've not set that with anything. Then to blend that colour out, I'm just going to be taking a mixture of Mills and Honeybee, these two orange shades. Firstly, I'm just going to pack that on, overlapping where I've packed the red shade. And then I'm going to take Loving Life on Big Fluffy Blending Brush and just start to blend these together. I'm just going to use circular and backwards and forwards motions to get these to blend. Thought I wasn't filming for a second then. Ooh, that would have been a disaster. I'm then going to go back in with this more red shade just to deepen up the first colour that we put on, especially on the outer corner of the eye. It's alright if you get a bit messy with your blending, because we can just use a bit of concealer to clean it up and make a nice sharp edge after. Again, just going back in with the Big Fluffy Blending Brush just to make sure everything is nice and blended out, and you can keep repeating these two steps until you're happy with the pigment and the blend. I'm now going to do a half cut crease, just taking some concealer on a flat brush. Just use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to cut the crease. I don't know what colour I want to take, so still from the same palette, I'm going to take Honeybee again, and I'm just going to use that everywhere we've just cut the crease. Then using the same flat brush, start to blend the yellow into the red using side to side motions. Then take the orangey red again to deepen the outer colour back up using circular motions, and also little wiggling motions when you get close to the yellow part to help blend that together. So I might regret this, but I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to take this gold glitter eyeliner from Toothpaste. So I might regret this, but the next thing I'm going to do is take this gold glitter eyeliner from Too Faced and just line where I've cut my crease, but this could go horribly wrong. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to take the darkest and lightest colour that I've used. So on this really small brush, I don't really know what it's called, I'm going to take this dark red again, dark orange, not dark red, and run that as close to the lash line as I possibly can. And then on this like little fluffy brush, I am going to take Honeybee again, the lightest colour that I've used, and just again blend under the lash line, this time not as close. Perfect. Oh, I might just go back in with the red again just to darken that up. And then just going to clean up my eyes the really lazy way and just take my pressed powder from Maybelline, rub it on my beauty blender and just run it along to clean up that eyeshadow because I've already got a bit of foundation on. So I am super pleased with how this has turned out because I had absolutely no idea what I wanted to do when I first started filming this, and I just kind of winged the whole thing like I winged my life. But yeah, so I really hope you like this look and that you enjoyed the video. Another thing that I think could look really nice with this, but I'm not going to do today, is putting some white eyeliner in the waterline. I think that would really make the eye pop with this look. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.